Hey guys, in this episode we're going to be installing a set of LED headlight bulbs from Suparee in this 2005 Ford F150. Stick around and let me know what you think. Do they look better or worse? So here's our stock headlights. Nothing great, kind of orangish, but they're functional. The first thing we're going to need to do is get the hood up, and then we're going to have to take the assembly out. There's three 10mm bolts on this thing, one here, and there's two hidden behind this plastic piece. Now some people will take this screw out, and it's like just a little plastic retainer. You can pop it out with a screwdriver if you want, or you can just pull it off to the side and get right to your screws. Just depends on what you want to do. But one here, two here, and once you get that done, we'll lift up on this tab and pull it forward. Lift up on this tab. It should, just a little wiggle. Sure sounds like I'm breaking something. Well, just gotta work at it. There's a little metal clip right here. It plugs in on the bottom. So when you pull on it, you might have to pull a little bit. But that's going to get us access to our bulb right here. We're going to pinch this tab in and pull up. Now that we got the old one out, we just need to get the new one. Inside this kit, it's got all kinds of stuff, zip ties and whatnot. Now this one does come with the canvas decoder, so you don't have to worry about it. It's plug and play. Just plug it right in and it works. Now we just install it back in reverse order and make sure you line this metal pin back up. And if you need to zip tie up your canvas decoders, they did give you zip ties. All right, so now we got the new one in. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's a whole lot brighter, a whole lot clearer, and you know you can see it from a lot further distance away, which means people are going to be able to see you. The stock one just doesn't cut it anymore. If you want to look like a newer vehicle, get these LEDs. Only thing we got left to do is put the other one in and see what it looks like. So let's get after it. She's in there good. Nice little tug, and it's out. Now we got them both in there. You can see for yourself. There's no question. These things are way brighter than the stock original ones. This is definitely a good way to go. If you're in the market for some LED headlight bulbs, you might want to check out these Suparees. Got a link down below in the description if you want to get a set for yourself. Thanks for watching.